Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix when Roblox is not installing on Mac. This tutorial will be quick and simple, just make sure to subscribe and also leave a like if you will find this guide useful. First of all, you want to go to your browser, then go to roblox.com and log into your account. After that, you want to go ahead and click on any game you like. So for example, this one, and let's click play. After that, you will see here download and install option. So you want to go ahead and download and install Roblox. After that, you will have Roblox DMG file here. You want to double click on it. And after that, Roblox player installer will open up and you want to right click on it, go to show package contents. From here, you want to click on contents, then Mac OS, and you want to go ahead and double click on this Roblox player installer. Now it will open, and then you want to click open. And after that, Roblox will open up. Now, after that, you want to log into your Roblox account. Now go to the browser where you have logged in, click on the game, and now click open Roblox right there. And now it will open up here. And that's pretty much it, guys. That should work. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.